Welcome back to another exciting review, and today we're diving deep into the power, precision, and dominance of the 2026 Caterpillar D19 Bulldozer, a beast designed to redefine heavy-duty performance and durability. Caterpillar has always been a name associated with power, and the D19 takes that legacy even further with smarter technology, more torque, and rugged construction that pushes the limits of what a bulldozer can do. Whether you're on a large mining site, a construction zone, or a massive land leveling project, the D19 is built to handle it all with unshakable stability and unmatched control. At first glance, the exterior of the 2026 Caterpillar D19 is an absolute show. It's bigger, broader, and more muscular than any of its predecessors. The front blade dominates the design, a high-capacity, high-efficiency unit that cuts through compacted earth and rock like butter. Its updated curvature allows better load rolling and less spillage, meaning every push counts. Caterpillar has given the D19 an ultra-strong one-piece mainframe constructed from reinforced high-tensile steel, ensuring that even under the toughest stress, the machine stays unyielding. The signature cat yellow shines through, but with a modern matte finish that gives it a premium industrial feel. Look closely, and you'll notice the attention to aerodynamics and visibility. The sloped engine hood provides better forward visibility while reducing debris accumulation. LED lighting has been integrated all around the dozer, offering 360-degree illumination, perfect for nighttime operations or low-light conditions. The aggressive stance, wide track base, and low center of gravity make the D19 appear ready to take on the world. The undercarriage design has also been enhanced with an advanced grease-lubricated track system and reinforced rollers that extend lifespan while minimizing maintenance downtime. Moving to the rear, the D19 features a powerful ripper assembly designed for deep and precise penetration. It's fully adjustable, hydraulically optimized, and built with superior ground contact for maximum efficiency. The rear ripper housing is larger and better protected, ensuring longer durability even on rocky terrains. The rear camera system gives operators complete visual awareness, reducing blind spots and enhancing job site safety. Caterpillar has also integrated quick access panels and hydraulic service points, making maintenance faster and simpler. Stepping inside the cabin, the 2026 Caterpillar D19 completely transforms the operator's experience. The interior is designed around comfort, control, and clarity. The moment you enter, you're greeted with a wide panoramic view through the high-strength glass panels. Noise insulation has been dramatically improved, cutting sound levels by over 40% compared to the previous model. The operator's seat is air-suspended, heated, and ventilated with full ergonomic adjustments, giving maximum comfort during long shifts. In front of the seat lies the all-digital command console, a 15-inch touchscreen display with intuitive controls, real-time diagnostics, and customizable performance settings. From here, the operator can monitor fuel consumption, hydraulic pressure, load data, and maintenance schedules. The interface supports over-the-air updates and connects with the Cat Command remote system, allowing operators to run the dozer from a distance when needed. This remote control capability is a game-changer for higher-risk zones, ensuring safety while maintaining productivity. Caterpillar's advanced control joystick now features smoother movement, pressure-sensitive feedback, and programmable response rates. It feels more like piloting a precision machine than operating a piece of heavy equipment. The climate control system keeps the cabin temperature stable, and multiple USB ports, Bluetooth connectivity, and wireless charging pads bring modern convenience into the operator's workspace. There's even a small refrigerator compartment for hydration during long work hours. Now, let's talk about the real star of the show: the performance. Underneath the D19's massive hood lies a newly engineered Cat C19 ACERT engine that delivers an astonishing 830 horsepower with a peak torque of over 3,200 Newton-meters. This engine is Tier 5 compliant, meaning it's not only powerful, but also cleaner, producing fewer emissions while maintaining optimal fuel efficiency. The D19's electronic control system automatically adjusts engine output based on terrain and load, ensuring maximum productivity without unnecessary fuel burn. The transmission has been upgraded to a next-generation power shift unit with adaptive load sensing, making gear transitions smooth and efficient, whether you're pushing heavy soil, cutting rock, or backfilling. The D19 responds instantly with raw strength and finesse. The advanced traction control keeps the machine steady even on loose or muddy ground, preventing track slippage and energy loss. Caterpillar's new grade Control 3D system is standard in the D19, allowing automated blade control with millimeter accuracy. The dozer can automatically follow pre-programmed grade plans using GPS guidance, reducing the operator's workload and increasing job precision. This automation also minimizes material overcutting, saving time, fuel, and wear on components. For complex projects, the D19 integrates seamlessly with CAT's site management system, sharing live performance data with supervisors. Via cloud connectivity, hydraulics on the D19 are incredibly responsive. The advanced load-sensing hydraulic system prioritizes pressure where needed most, ensuring the blade, ripper, and tilt functions operate with maximum power and precision. Even under extreme workloads, the hydraulic cooling system maintains optimal temperature, preventing overheating during extended use. One of the most impressive aspects of the D19 is its fuel efficiency. Despite its immense power, Caterpillar's smart engine management and eco mode can save up to 12% fuel compared to older models. The idle shutdown timer, adaptive RPM control, and improved combustion technology all contribute to reduced operational costs while maintaining full power when demanded. In terms of durability, the D19 sets new industry standards. Every critical component from the transmission, housing to the blade linkage has been field tested for thousands of hours in extreme environments. Caterpillar's modular design also allows easier replacement of individual parts, reducing downtime and long-term costs. The maintenance intervals are extended, and predictive maintenance alerts ensure issues are addressed before they become serious. Safety is another key area Caterpillar has invested in. Alongside the rear and side camera system, the D19 includes proximity sensors, anti-rollover technology, and intelligent load balancing that automatically stabilizes the dozer on uneven terrain. Emergency egress exits, automatic braking, and fatigue detection alerts further enhance operator safety. When it comes to handling, the D19 feels surprisingly smooth for a machine of its size. The steering system has been recalibrated for precision, and the suspension absorbs shocks effectively. Even when moving over rough or rocky surfaces, Caterpillar's electronic stability assist ensures the dozer maintains straight-line power even under high resistance. Now for the price. The 2026 Caterpillar D19 comes with a starting base price of around $1.2 million, depending on configuration, attachments, and optional technology packages. Fully loaded with advanced automation and remote operation features, the price can go up to $1.5 million. For fleet owners and contractors, Caterpillar also offers long-term financing and full-service maintenance packages that cover everything from engine diagnostics to component replacement. To sum it all up, the 2026 Caterpillar D19 is not just another bulldozer, it's a symbol of raw engineering excellence combined with smart connected innovation. It's stronger, smarter, and more efficient than ever before, setting a new standard for heavy-duty earth-moving equipment. Whether you're shaping the landscape of a city, leveling a mining site, or clearing terrain for massive infrastructure projects, the D19 is the ultimate partner for performance and reliability. So, if you're ready to witness a new era of dozing power, the 2026 Caterpillar D19 is the machine that truly defines dominance on dirt.